afternoon. This training was another important phase of my learning journey. It made me more confident and it made me to realize my own innate potential to become a leader. In terms of content, given my background of psychology, it was more of similar thing that I have learned in the past, I would say, courses. But what I really like the most about it here is that the resource persons were coming from a background where they have lived the experiences. So I really like the way they shared their lived experiences and the way they facilitate the session so vibrant, charismatic and engaging. And I would personally recommend this course to our young teachers in Bhutan who are interested to become academic leaders, like principals and the education officers and so on and so forth. Thank you.